Thursday. My name is Allison and I am the owner and creator of Rediscovered Vintage. If you're new and just joining me today, thank you and welcome. And if you've been here before, I have some exciting new content for you today. I'm going to switch things up a little bit, and so please leave a comment below and let me know, do you like the new format? Would you like to see more or less of one thing or the other? It helps me know what kind of stuff you're interested in seeing, and that would be great. So I had a very interesting weekend. My in-laws were in town and they are always game to do fun things, and so we're out looking at the beautiful fall color. I don't know what it's like in your area, but the fall color here has been at its peak, and so it's just been gorgeous. And we're out driving around and we of course pass a sign and it says shed sale. So if you are a thrifter, you know when you see those random signs in the middle of nowhere that they often might be something kind of interesting and good. So my in-laws said sure, they would be fine stopping, so we stopped. And so I'm going to share a little clip of some of the things we saw at this great shed sale, and then I will come back and share with you my haul. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you some of my flips and some of the haul things staged, so you can see and get some ideas on how these might fit into your home decor and see some of the things that I've already flipped from my previous hauls. So I hope you enjoy this, and again, I do offer most of these things for sale in my Etsy shop and on my website, so make sure to check those two sites out, and I think that's it. So let's get started. What did you think of that thrift haul? I had so much fun looking around there, and I thought I am definitely going to keep this one on my calendar. They have periodic sales there on holiday weekends, I guess, primarily, in random summer weekends. So I'll have to keep my eye open for that, as they said they're constantly clearing out stuff from their house and their shops and having this shed sale. So I was super excited about that. So I'll give you just kind of an up close look at some of the items that I got. I got these great spindles, a set of 4 of them. They of course would make perfect candle holders, and I think I might just leave them as they are. They would look really nice with a little darker stain on them, but those I think will be a really nice addition to someone's decor. And then I found these jugs. I'm not sure if I'm going to be selling these or not. I might add these into my decor. They're in such good condition and they're just beautiful jugs, but we'll see. See what I decide after I kind of go through everything I picked up this week. It's hard to decide what to keep and what to sell and all that kind of stuff. So, and then I found this great rolling pin. This one I for sure am going to sell. It's going to be just as it is. It's a beautiful, beautiful color wood. It has a nice chunky handles. So this would be just great on display. And then I got this table. I have plans for this. I'm going to add a top to it and just paint and distress the bottom. So I just think this is going to make a really cute end table. I might put like a hat box on top. I've got to see. I've got a couple of things or a basket maybe, and we'll see how this goes. But watch for this. This will be definitely one of my flips coming up. And let's see, and then I've got these great cheese boxes. And I don't think they're that old, maybe they are, but my plan is, I'm putting a picture up in the corner there, to do some kind of table out of them to add legs. I'm gonna stain the cheese boxes a darker color and then probably add some kind of industrial or manufacturing kind of stencil on it. Maybe a French country kind of label on it. I haven't quite decided that yet, but definitely tables. And I've been seeing these ideas all over, so thank you for sharing those ideas on the Pinterest and website, because it helps other creators think about what they can do with their items. And so that's my plan for those. So watch for those, and I will share how I flip them as well. But this was my favorite find of anything there, and it was a scale. I've had one of these kind of on my bucket list. I love this one and the green color, and I also like how some of the numbers have faded, but some of them are still there. These usually go for a ton of money, and I never really wanted to spend that much on it, so I was really excited when I found this. I got all of that stuff that I showed you for $40, so I thought that was a great deal, a great sale. And thank you to my in-laws for stopping and humoring me as I shopped the sale. So I have a few more things to share with you that I picked up this week as well. I found this great quilt block. Well, I'm blanking on the word, quilt block. I thought in a new frame, like even a white frame that would pull out some of this color in here, I thought this would be really beautiful, just kind of cleaned up. I'm gonna probably just leave the same frame, but maybe paint it. But if you love it and you love this old brown frame, let me know and I can just leave it as it is. And then I found this nice brass candlestick. It has the little snuffer, which I don't see this very often. So I thought this was really a nice set as well. This I think I am probably going to keep and put into my own decor. And then this is kind of, it's a really pretty, somebody tried to paint it, but I'm just gonna probably paint the whole thing, and I might do something fun with it for Christmas, or I might keep it for spring. But I just like the detail on the handle, and it has some rust coming through on it, which is always nice when you're flipping it, because that kind of gives it that nice character. And then I found this crock. This is one of the West Bend crockpot bean crocks, and I always pick these up. I'm gonna see if I can find a picture and I'll pop it in the corner there if I have one. But I've done a couple of these up in the past where I've repainted them with a textured paint, and they turn out really nice. And of course it's the nice pottery, so that's kind of my plan to do with that one. And then I found this great basket. I love baskets with the wooden bottoms. This is in great vintage condition, and so I will be posting this one out there for sure. There's so many things you could put into it too. It would be beautiful with a bunch of Christmas ornament balls piled in it for the holidays, or just a bunch of evergreen. And then this little candlestick holder I forgot, but that went with that haul that I got at the $40 place. And then I found these. Look at these old spoons. And I'm gonna stain these up. I just thought these would be so beautiful in a jar. I'll probably sell these as a set. I already have some for my own, but I just thought they have such character to them, such unique hand-carved spoons. So these will definitely be in my shop. And then I always pick up these embroidery hoops, and at the end, I'll show you a great Christmas flip that I did with these, and so it will give you some ideas of if you find them, if you can pick it up. Otherwise, if you like my flip, you can also pick that up in my shop. And I found this wooden spoon. If you saw my video before, I found a larger one just like this that had a matching fork with it, and it was actually featured in Country Farmhouse magazine or Country Style. But now I found a little spoon, so I'm still looking for the big fork. But I think this is just such a nice, fun farmhouse decor piece. And then I'm always digging through the bins at Goodwill, and especially in the kitchen section, I found this old primitive donut cutter, so I thought this was really, really cool. And then I found this really nice primitive box. I might just leave it how it is. It's kind of neat. What do you guys think? I like the rusty star on it, and it's kind of an olive color. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. It's pretty dusty, but I kind of think if this is your style, it is such a nice little piece. And then the last thing I picked up was this. I always pick these up if I see them. And so I am going to be painting this and doing it up for the holidays. So you can watch for this flip too. So I think that's it. So stay tuned, because right after this, I'm going to be showing you a few stage items and a few of the flips of the things from the previous videos. And again, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the flips.